Welcome to Yousite. We are your experts in manufacturing high-quality card printer cleaning kits. At Yousite, we combine exquisite craftsmanship with innovative technology to create outstanding quality cleaning products. We are committed to providing you with the perfect customized solutions, including printing your logo, custom packaging, and label design to showcase your brand's unique charm. Our dedicated customer service team is available anytime, anywhere to solve any problems, ensuring your satisfaction is always guaranteed. Our state-of-the-art factory is fully equipped with efficient production processes, providing you with a high-quality product guarantee. We warmly welcome you to visit our factory. We are producing card printer cleaning kits and supplying all major brands manufacturer of a full range of cleaning supplies. We can customize and produce standard size IPA according to customers' requirements: soap cleaning card, cleaning rollers, adhesive card, IPA cleaning pen and IPA cleaning wipes. Whether you choose an on-site or online visit, we will provide the most thoughtful arrangements. Looking for technical cleaning kit distributors globally? Yousite, your choice for excellence.